Days off, and away we go. Manonood tayo NBA kasi alam mo naman, ang lakas lakas ni Luka. Go! The Lakers control the OT. Roger with a shot. Then they stop once again for the Lund bago na cellphone nila, no? Sabi kasi nila, lakas daw ni Luka ngayon kasi nagagawa na nila lahat ng kailangan nila. Lakers, and he's got the third really out. Pero wag mo kakalimutan na, nandito na si Lillard, Giannis, Brook Lopez, saka ito yung nadagdag na to. Di naman siya star player, pero role player yan. The link the Brooklyn, Giannis. You gotta have short memories in this game. Unfortunately for the Bucks, they're gonna go way down. Ang ganda ng pasa, no? Kupo, two dunks. Doncic fires up a three-point. Struck with the Doncic. Papa. Keep an eye on Luka tonight. He's dealing with a multitude of injuries. There's no kind of with a deep three. Wait lang. Ito daw yung game kasi na 40 points si Luka Doncic So, kailangan natin malaman yung pagtotoo. Ayoko i-play lahat Gusto ko yung lang. Si Luka Doncic lang. Yes. With my name, slip it down. It's for France leaves it in. The record inside the division. Wala pala si LeBron, no? Bali Luka Doncic, Dalton Neck, tsaka si Austin Reaves would have the head-to-head. So that's a difference. Back to Giannis, a scramble. The ball looks like it's lopsided right now. And it ends up in the hands of Porter. Let it fly. Deep down. Milwaukee is in this first half. From 3. The 3 points pala yun, no, si Porter. And Porter just goes to fire. That is gonna be a ball slip to sides. Doncic with a steal. And the Lakers gonna turn over. Reeves got it head lower. Quick release. Giannis, no, can't secure. To that, up ahead. Reeves lays it in. Secondary score that the Lakers need. All the way across court. But kaya din niya pa kinuha yun, no? Abot niya yun tapos libre siya. Tinan mo, papakita ko sa inyo. Si Brook Lopez, abot niya na yung bola. Tapos libre siya sa gitna, hindi niya kinuha. Kasi alam niya para sa wingman, no? Pero kung ikaw, kukuhain mo ba yun, knowing na libre ka na? Reeves lays it in. Secondary score. What the Lakers need. All the way across court. 3 corners. Good, Gary. Si Giannis, hindi niya rin nakita, no? Di rin talaga mo masasabi kung nakakaluwag tong mga mata nitong mga teammate. Kasi, di talaga nila alam yan, parang minsan tsampaan lang. Tapos, nagiging mukhang professional. Kasi, syempre, nasa NBA sila. Parang sa Dota, ganun yun Trent Jr. They are 8 with 4. Did his prior 12, but he stops on the dive and then realizes Luka started his third point. Off one foot, the fading is good upon Giannis. He has really improved that side. Lopez off for 3. Down it. Kung ikaw, diba, paano mo sasabihin yun? 7 foot na rin si Brook Lopez. Tapos, gabi yung outside shooting niya. Tapos, naman nagti 3 points dun near the logo na. Do ganon, man. Goes to the Bucks. Shooting it very well. Bucks now 50% from 3-point range. Romans to be outdone first few possessions. They build the wall for Giannis. Forcing it. Ano kasi nun, yung kapatid ni Brook Lopez, wala kasing shooting yun Siya meron. Tapos nung kapatid nga, hindi rin ganun kalakas. Parang siya lang talaga. Pero parehas kasi sila matangtag kaya sila sa NBA. Pero breakdown natin yung defense natin mo. Ang defense na to, 4 sila near the paint. Tapos, hinahayaan nilang mag-perimeter si Giannis. Kasi ganun talaga Mas pipiliin mo na sumablay siya sa shooting kasi wala naman siyang shooting. Kesa, hayaan mo siyang mag-dominate sa paint. Di naman nangyari Isa dito, malapit, handang iwan tong gitna ay side. Siya, lumalapit din siya sa paint, handang iwan din si Lillard. Si Luka, handa rin iwan si Kuzma. Dahil ito nasa gitna, lima yan. Handang sumalubong sa kanya, kaya ang choice niya lang is perimeter. We build the wall for Giannis, force it into a mid. Dodgy ka lang kasi, statistics worst. Mas okay na nakuhain yun na tira ni Giannis. Kesa, mag-dominate siya sa paint. Parang mas okay talaga yun kahit saan mo tignan. Bridge, and he buries it front. Pero syempre, tsambahan na lang kung makakasit si Giannis. Pero, maganda na yun. He's a much improved mid-range shooter, but I would live with that. Look at this. Lamb gets behind Lopez, but another block. Lopez, with his third block of the game, Giannis drives, is fouled. Ayun no, nakita mo yun. Ganyan mangyayari kasi pag ginayaan mo siya mag-sprint, tas mag-splash heads. Iwas na lang yung bantay. With his third block of the game, Giannis drives, is fouled, and counted. Anthony Smith trying to match up with Giannis on the football with Green's help. Drops it off. Dorian Prince. They were just waiting for that to open up. And here comes Luka. Doncic gets 5 reds. Doncic hangs into the game. Luka Doncic has the slowdown game. Ang dugay, cheat code yun. Si Brook Lopez, idol ka na, lupit niya eh. Pero punta tayo dito. Nakadigas ba si J.J. Redick? All-NBA. And first team All-NBA. That's a pretty good list. Keith Morris hits a 3 into the Fox score tonight. His numbers were better than his last MVP season, which is unbelievable. Dorian takes the 3 in the course of his with Courtney Kirkland, the crew chief. Almost with defensive fake. Ang lupit ni Luka Doncic doon sa nai-replay mo to. The pass behind the back. Down for a loop. Mas hakas ng bait. Jump. And another one stop. Wala, tambak sila. Ilan yan, no? 20, 19. So, you know what? Maybe J.J. Redick understands he needs to kind of get minutes to play himself into shape as well. It's good running. Doncic hits a 3. And he's got 45. Having words with Courtney Curtis in his face. Not a lot. I mean, he's starting to do that. Lamaduga din yan si guys. Lord, Richard Jefferson. How about Darvin Ham, who continues to be undefeated in cup play? He's the king of the cup. Has Dalvin connect. Hits a 3. There's Darvin. So assisted here with Mike Budenholzer winning that ring. 21. JJ Redick has broke the plug. May 3 points ka na, ganun pa yung inside game mo. Oh. Has not. Is on the kupo. Isipin mo ganyan din si Nowitzki dati. Kasi hindi naman talaga inside game si Nowitzki, shooting siya. Kasi si Brook Lopez may shooting na. May ganun pa. Goes to now after this. Markieff Morris guards him. No, Giannis will shoot it himself. So he does not know. That's what they done. He does not know. Former player in LA, JJ Redick. Okay, tapos na. Maganda yung game pero sa back bet sa'yo. Well, good job.